Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are making a crab boil, and I'm excited about this one. So first we're going to start with shrimp. I have 4 sticks of butter, which I ended up using 6. We have some Zatarain's crab boil, some Creole seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some chili powder, which I call paprika, sorry. We also have some garlic salt, 2 things of kielbasa, an onion, and I also used minced garlic. And we are going to begin. As you guys could see in the beginning of the video, I pre-cooked the potatoes and the eggs. Say that 10 times fast. Yeah, because y'all, the last time I made a crab boil, my eggs were not done when I bit into it, and yeah, I was traumatized. So I just wanted to make sure that didn't happen again. So that's what you saw at the beginning of the video. So here I'm just putting everything together. I added my crab, and then I'm going to gradually just add everything in, corn, kielbasa, potatoes, eggs, and then I will season this up really nice, and we are going to be good to go. Very, very quick meal. It was so delicious, y'all. So here, guys, I just combined all the seasonings together, and why I did that is because each bag is going to get these seasonings. Okay, so it's 1 tablespoon each seasoning. So 1 tablespoon of Creole, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, etc. per bag. All right, guys, so here I am just making sure that everything is nicely coated with the seasoning. You want to make sure you massage the seasoning into your corn, into your kielbasa. Also, it's very important that you massage it into your crab legs, okay? It looks like a lot of seasoning, it sounds like a lot of seasoning, but really it was perfect. Not too salty. I mean, also, disclaimer, you can use whatever seasonings you want. These are the seasonings that I used, and I'm so glad I did, because juicy crab ain't got nothing on me, okay? I'm not going there anymore. Why, when I can stay home and make it myself? Off camera, I chopped up an onion, and I also added some minced garlic, and I went ahead and added 1.5 sticks of butter to each packet. Y'all, look at this. I am so excited. Yes, I was like a kid in a candy store. Couldn't wait for this to be done. Hey guys, I really don't mean to brag. Yes, I do. But I put my foot in this one. It was so delicious, and I really hope you guys will try it. And if you do, please leave a comment and let me know. And if you decide to use different seasonings, also let me know how that turned out as well. All the flavor was at the bottom, y'all. That butter, oh my God. Enjoy. Next, stay tuned for my DIY. So for today's DIY, I am making a tray table for my husband and I. So for this DIY, I didn't want to just use just a regular tray table, because to me they all look the same. So what I decided to do is I bought some pictures, right? And you'll see, I just put my own little twist on it, and it took me 10 minutes, if that. Yeah, that's your girl. Hey guys, this DIY really doesn't require any explanation. It's just me buying pictures and adding knobs. Basically, that's all it is. I did put a little twist on it with my husband's, and I saw some cute little knobs that look like wrenches. So his didn't look all girly-fied and opposite of mine. Yeah, I thought that was really neat. The pictures I got on sale. They were $14. I got them for 50% off. Another reason why I really love Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that's my go-to store. I spent 3 hours in that store, y'all. Shh, don't tell my husband. All right here I'm measuring to make sure that each side is even. But y'all see my menu, my DIY menu? It's cute, isn't it? Yeah, I made those because my dining room theme, my husband built our dining room table, and I was going for a restaurant theme. Figured, you know what? Why go out and eat when we can bring it to our house? So yeah, that's what we did, and that's where the menu comes from. Y'all, I was trying to show you guys the price on that. It was a fail, I'm sorry. But yeah, I explained earlier. These trays were $14.99, and Hobby Lobby had a 50% off sale going on through all decor that you can hang on your walls. So this was a win-win for me. That is it. Just like that, I have a tray table. I have two. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great week and everyone stay safe. Until next time, bye.